In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple trading accounts in Exness. Now, first you want to sign in to your personal area, and then from here you want to go to Trading, top left, and you want to click on Accounts. Inside the Accounts tab, you can see you have two tabs, Real, which are your real accounts, and of course Demo, which are your demo accounts with paper money and paper funds. So to actually create multiple trading accounts like me over here, as you can see, I have quite a few demo accounts and quite a few real accounts as well. It's actually super simple. You want to pick if you want to create multiple real or demo accounts, then click on Open Account. And then from here, you can of course select which account you want to open, a standard or a professional one. Then hit the continue button. And from here, you can again switch between real or demo. So I'm going to go for demo right now. You can select your currency, the starting balance, the nickname for your account, and of course the leverage and the platform you want to use as well. And then you can just go and type in the password if you use MD5 or MD4, and you're going to use this to actually sign in to either MD5 or MD4 platforms. Once you do this, hit on the create account button. And there we go. As you can see, your account has been created. Now, if you want to create multiple, you can just repeat this process. Go to open account, select which account you want. I'm going to do pro for this one. Click on continue, select real or demo again. Currency, you can go ahead and select the execution type, the starting balance, and the nickname, and all the other things as well. Then hit the create account button, and you've now created a new account. You can do this and create multiple accounts that way. And if at any point you don't need them anymore, you could always go and click on the three dots, click on archive, and they're gonna go into the archive here at the bottom. So of course they are not up here, not showing up whenever you're trying to pick between them and trade with one of them, okay? So that's how to create multiple trading accounts in Exness. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.